Hey guys, welcome to grammar. Today we're going to be doing, look right here, exercise 63 and exercise 64. Okay, so go ahead and go to that in your book. It's going to be on page 30. Page 30. Okay, look what it says on exercise 63. It says, abbreviations, numbers, and end marks. Draw Draw a line through any errors in abbreviations and numbers. Write in corrections when necessary. Add periods, question marks, and exclamation points where needed. Okay, so I put up here, you're looking for abbreviations, you're looking for numbers, you're looking for punctuation. Okay, it gives you exactly where you need to go. It gives you exactly where you need to go into the book. You need to go to sections 37 and 38. You don't need to go to the punctuation section of 42 through section 42. I don't think that that's going to be necessary. I think that you can figure out where to put your punctuation, what needs a period, what needs a question mark, what needs an exclamation point. But you do need to refer very carefully to section 37 and section 38 for the abbreviations and the numbers. Okay, so I'm going to do number 1 with you so you can see like where you need to look things up. Like if you see number 1, the Reverend James F. Shields Jr. will arrive at 8:30 p.m. in the evening. Okay, let's start right here. It doesn't make any sense that if you're going to have p.m., why you would put in the evening, right? So you obviously know that it's evening because it's 8:30 p.m. So either you're going to put 8:30 in the evening or you're going to put 8:30 p.m. So I'm just going to take that out. Okay, they don't really mention that here in the book, so pardon, I'm mentioning it for you. Okay, but the very first thing you see is that Reverend is abbreviated. So you need to look in section 37 and decide, okay, is Reverend supposed to be abbreviated? So you see section 37.7, right? What does it say? The titles Reverend and Honorable may be abbreviated if used with the full name. Well, this one is the full name, James F. Shield, but look at the note. The titles Reverend and Honorable must be written out if preceded by the word the. Ours has the word the, right? So you do need to write this out. Apesar que it's with the full name. You have to write it out because it comes right after the word the. So you would cross that out. And you would put with a minuscula, Reverend. Okay? Then you keep looking for more abbreviations and more numbers. James F. Shield, well, that doesn't really count we know that's how you do the middle name. But look at Junior. Okay, so we look at Junior. Hi, Junior. Not you, just this. Okay, it says 37.6. Use the abbreviations Junior, Senior after a full name. Notice that a comma precedes the abbreviation. So we see the example there. You do need a comma before Junior, and you need a capital, and you need a period right there. Okay? And it looks like that's all we have to worry about with Junior. Let's see if there's anything else that says anything about a comma afterward. No, it does not. Okay, but I am going to let you know that there is a comma after Junior when it's used inside a sentence. So even though it doesn't say that in these rules, I am going to let you know that is true, that when it's inside a sentence, there's a comma that comes before it for the name and after it for being inside a sentence. Okay, so then we keep looking. So the Reverend James F. Shield Jr. will arrive at 8:30 p.m. We just make sure that we wrote 8:30 p.m. correctly. We can look at 37.8, and we did. You have 8:30 and then you have p.m. Really, it's capitalized, and it is capitalized in the book, so we're going to make it capitalized here. p.m. Okay, and then you have your period for after p.m., which is what you're going to keep. And that's how you do number 1. Okay, let me just show you a few things for number 2. There's just one correction, and then you put your punctuation. I'm going to let you know these so you feel comfortable. 1, and then you put your punctuation. Number 3, there's one correction, and you put your punctuation. Number 4, there's like 3 things you have to add, and then you put your punctuation. It all is involved in only one rule, really. Number 5, you correct 2 things, and then you put your punctuation. Number 6, you correct 1 thing and put your punctuation. Number 7, just put your punctuation. Number 8, correct 2 things and put your punctuation. Number 9, just punctuation. Number 10, 3 things and put your punctuation. Number 11, correct 2 things and put your punctuation. And number 12, correct 1 thing and put your punctuation. Okay? Then in exercise 64, you're going to be going to section 3 for a little parts of speech review. But here I'm going to give you how many of each ones you're going to find in these sentences. They tell you to do the above the italicized words. So you're not looking for every word. You're just looking for the ones that are slanted, the italicized ones, right? So you have 3 nouns, 1 verb, 2 pronouns, 2 adjectives, 2 adverbs, 1 preposition, 2 conjunctions. Okay, look at that, write that down. 3 nouns, 1 verb, 2 pronouns, 2 adjectives, 2 adverbs, 1 preposition, 2 conjunctions. And those are the only 2 sections that you're going to be doing today. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.